Hello everyone, welcome to E and Laws channel. We thank our new subscribers and those who keep watching our videos and sharing. God richly bless you. In today's video is about the cutting of the walls to install the AC cables and the pipes as well. The floor markings you see right here is where the cables will run through the floor. So the floor needs to be cut so that the cables will be laid through to the outside of the building. The wall cuttings you see now is where the 2.5 AC will be placed. Here is the sitting area, the living area of the house, and the 2.5 AC will be able to function well, but the installer forgot to put another AC at the dining area, of which we'll talk about later. Here we are in another bedroom. As you can see, it has been marked out perfectly, and the chiseling of the wall is being done. Here we walk through to another bedroom. The house in total is a 3-bedroom house together with a master bedroom, making it 4 rooms. Here we are. There is another markings for the AC cables installation. The chisel work needs to be done later. This is the master's bedroom, where you see the markings is where the AC is going to be installed. The installer didn't put the AC at the dining area, and of which we weren't happy about it. Electrician advised that we pass the AC cable so that they don't tamper with the electrical work being done, of which I will bring to you in my next video. This is how the cables, the AC cables, came out perfectly for the 2.5 air condition. And the master's bedroom cable has been laid perfectly. The AC installer and the electrician actually worked together. The reason being that the installer didn't put the AC at the dining area was he said that will be a problem when you are dining, you are having your lunch, dinner, whatever at your dining area, and the AC keeps blowing on the food, and of which he didn't inform us but did it on his own. We weren't happy about that. To change it would have been an extra cost for us, and so we left it as it is. So in the living area we have 2 air conditions, one being the 2.5 and one the 1.5 volt air condition. This is another room. As you can see, the cables have been laid perfectly. So as I was saying, we wouldn't be able to use AC for the dining area, but instead a ceiling fan will be placed. So we are going to disconnect the AC, the second 1.5 AC he placed at the living area, and only use the 2.5, of which I learned it will be able to function perfectly through to the dining area. There is another room, but it has got its own ensuite, so I'll call it the second master bedroom, and cables are being laid perfectly. Please feel free to leave your comments below because it will be helpful. And this is what happens when they are doing your construction work, or they are working at your site without supervision. This was done early this year, and these were the problems that we faced. You tell them what to do and they always do another thing, and to correct it will be an extra cost, of which is not really nice. The markings you saw on the floor is where the cables run through to the outside of the building, where I think the air condition, the external one will be. Thank you guys, and keep watching the video, and keep leaving your comments in the comments section, and we'll bring to you the cost of electrical works being done probably in our next video. Thank you all for watching.